Hi, good morning everybody. We are now live again. Let's have an amazing big day. Let's quickly see what's happening in the markets this morning. Um, so I'm trying out a new streaming software. I'm trying out I'm trying this out. I'm trying out OBS. So I wanted to see how it's if it's much better, if it's much better. I'm trying to see. So yeah, I'm gonna share the link now so we can all join in. Okay, I think we are quite getting ready. Um, hmm, okay. I'm just sharing the link now in the community. All right, let's have a look. So, what do we have happening in the market? We are we are looking for opportunities this morning. We are looking at what Nasdaq's gonna do this morning. So in general, Nasdaq has actually been pushing up since yesterday, and honestly, that's a good thing. We oh yeah, let's quickly run through the analysis. So what happened yesterday? Nasdaq started by so we had a buy yesterday, and guess what? I did not close my buy in profit yesterday. So I left the buy to be running, right? And then boom, went up, came back. I was already in profit, like I was already in big profit, like almost 1 to 1.5, and then boom, I was stopped out and then go to full TP. That is so like I was very sad. Like anyway, well, let's leave that. Um, anyway, so this week now we've had one win. We've had only one win so far, or two wins actually. So we've had two wins. No, just one. We've had only one win so far, and so hopefully today we make a better trading decision. And then the good thing is that we know the direction of the market. So since we know the direction that market is going, we are able to at least take good trade opportunity. So what we're going to do now is this morning we'll just look at potentially where Nasdaq is going, but it's very clear. I think this stream is even going to be very fast because Nasdaq is going to complete the move. It's going to take the high, the imbalance, right? If Nasdaq should take the imbalance, boom. So for now, Nasdaq is bullish. Even 15 minutes is bullish. It's almost completing the move to the previous imbalance that we are actually targeting since yesterday. So nothing much. I don't think there's any new analysis to do right now. The setup has not changed. Very much likely Nasdaq will later on this week or next week take out this high. So that's Nasdaq is going to take out this high over here. Nasdaq is going to take out this high or supply. So we need to see the reaction of Nasdaq around this zone, this supply zone. So yeah, this is good. This is just basically the supply zone. I think this is the major target for Nasdaq itself when it comes to the where we think our price should get to, and as soon as price can get there, then we can make decision. We can make further decision. So what we're gonna do now is just no entry right now. I don't think we can get an entry in this London session. Obviously, there is no entry that we can get right now, so we're going to potentially just wait until New York because now what is happening is that Nasdaq has just taken the Asian high. After Nasdaq take the Asian high, it's very likely that they sell back into the previous day low. And anyway, we have not even let's mark the previous day low and previous day high, and let's see. let's say the high of yesterday and the low of yesterday. So this is now the high of yesterday, obviously. That's the highest point yesterday, and the lowest point that price was trading yesterday is over here. So now that we have the high and low of yesterday, it's much more likely that price will just take the previous day high, which is in alignment with the overall direction of the market. And then after that, then price would like maybe come back into the zone, and we'll see. All right, not much update for us this morning. So for now, we're gonna go, and then we'll come back at 2:30. But let's see, do we have any news coming out? Do we have any news coming out today? Let's check the news on Forex Factory and see. Let's see. Oh yeah, today we have unemployment claims by 2:30. We have the GDP data also coming out. By 4 o'clock, we have another PCE price coming out. So there are a couple of there's two high impact news today, but let's see if it brings volatility in the market. So if it does brings volatility in the market, then we're gonna see it. But I think for now we will just see what happens. All right, let's call it a wrap. We will not be entering any trades this morning. We'll wait until New York and see if a better opportunity will produce itself. Especially if we need to buy NASDAQ, we need to be buying at a demand zone, right? So for us to be able to buy, we need to find a demand zone to buy from, and this is not where price currently is. It's not a demand zone, so we can't buy just from it. If anything, this is more like a supply zone, so we need to be selling, but we're not looking to sell, we're looking to buy. So we need to see price retracing back into a demand area, and then we can execute for a buy. What can even make sense is if from here NASDAQ just break this high. If NASDAQ from where it is right now break like this and then pull back, maybe even pull back to this point and give like a give like a shift in character and then goes all the way up, that would be a much more better trade to take. So we kind of need to just wait for now and wait for price to come back to the demand zone, and then we can take the trades. All right. Let's have a great morning. We are going to be back later on at New York, and then we will have a good entry. All right, people. Let's have a nice day and see you soon.